Not sure yet. What time is it there? Avio, hi. Tauren, hello. Family day now, right? It's Sunday there, right? Tauren, what you doing? Maliligo sana ako. Mamaya na. Monday, sorry. But in the USA, it's Sunday, right? Kimber. Kimber! Jamie, hi! Happy Monday! Guys, message me in the inbox. John Stack, hello. How are you, John? Capsprit, message me. 113 heart. Good morning. Back soon, maybe we can arrange. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Enjoy your day. Ed, hello. Lucky. Omaxi. Mr. Jackie, hello. Chaka, hello. Mang Roman, hello. Kimber, where's my kiss me to you? Did you remember me, Kimber? Malas. Hi, Jill. ID number. Celine D, hi. Frank, hello. Hi, Jay. How are you, Celine D? 1085. Hi, Beard. Jung, hello. How are you, Jung? Three, four, eight, hi. Three guns, hello. Sunshine. Pumasok na ba yung sahod mo, manager? Hi, Jay. What are you doing? Mira. Remuro. ID number. Zmox. Hi. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon. Sorry. Hi, Nico. How are you, Nico? MK. Hi, 69. Kai, hello. Where, hi. Marcel, hello. 11, hello. 1104, hi. How are you? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Bench, hello. Man, hello. Pangit. Hoy, pangit. Kamusta ka na? Pangit, kamusta? Di mo ba na-miss yung Dragon Bubble? Di mo ba na-miss yung Dragon Bubble? What if? Arham. Sama ng ugali mo. Moonlight, may utang ka pa sa akin. Di ba? Wala talaga. Wala talaga akong utang sa'yo. Third! Elmer. Si third. Si third. Wala talaga pangit. Kalimutan mo na yun. Malik. Hi. Ay, si third pala to. Hi, Gray. Man, hello. Kalimutan mo na din ako. Okay, sabi mo. Madali lang akong kausap. Asan na kaya yung nangako sa akin? Kasi siya nag-on. Smile, hello. Hi, Smile. Smile followed me back. Pintura, hello. Okay, apologies. Hi. Smile, what are you doing? Jolan, hello. Good afternoon. Thank you, Smile. Smile, you followed me back. MK, hello. You tapped this plus sign. Where are you from, Smile? Thank you. Mag-unfollow nga ako mamaya. Jamar. Smile, where are you from? Oh. You don't have work today? It's Monday, right? Paco. I'm from the Philippines. I'm from the Philippines. I see. Do you have work today? Work. Like working. Are you working now or it's your day off? Jacob. Oh. What is your work if you don't mind? Oh, hello. Hi. What is your work? Work well. Now I'm stay at Cambodia. Oh. Turtles. Work from home? Are you work from home? Or you have a company? Si third. ID number. Kota, hello. Jake, thank you. Thank you. Do you have a company or work from home? Smile. Hindi daw. Kasi daw, mag-quit siya sa Big. Umalis nga daw siya sa ano eh, Starlight. Ah, you have. Mr. Cool.